Hello friends, welcome to you. In this video we are going to see BlueStack 5 global version is released. We are going to download and install it on our Windows 10 machine by the very simplest way. So let's go to the any browser and just type here BlueStack 5 and just click on the BlueStack link bluestack.com. Here is our BlueStack. You can download it from here or just click at here. And I am going to download on the desktop. Okay. Now here is our BlueStack 5. Just double click it. Click on yes. And click on install now. It takes some time depending on the speed of your internet and your machine configuration. So wait for 5 or 10 minutes. So guys, our BlueStack 5 is installed in 1 or 2 minutes and it's launched in a few seconds. So it is very fast. So use this and don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.